Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will explain to you how to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 for all supported and unsupported devices without formatting or data loss. If you're watching my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. We will now download Windows 11 by going to Google and typing download Windows 11 in the search bar. We will go to the first link. Now we scroll down. Now we will click here and select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Then we press Confirm. Here we will choose the Windows language. We must choose the same language in Windows 10. Here I will choose the United States English language. Then we press Confirm. Here we will click on 64-bit download. I have already downloaded Windows. Now let's check if this device meets the requirements for Windows 11 or not. We will go to Google search and type PC Health Check. We will go to the first link. Now we scroll down. Then, we click to download the PC Health Check app. PC Health Check is a free tool from Microsoft that allows you to find out if your device meets the requirements for Windows 11 or not. We will now double-click on the PC Health Check tool to install it. I will check this box and then click Install. We will now click on Check Now. As you can see, this device does not meet the requirements of Windows 11 because it does not support a TPM chip, and it does not have the minimum RAM requirement. Before starting the upgrade process to Windows 11, you must ensure that you are running a 64-bit version of Windows 10. To confirm this, we will right-click onto this PC icon. Then we click on Properties. Through System Type, we will ensure that we are working on a 64-bit system. To bypass the Windows 11 requirements, now I will extract the Windows files to a virtual drive by right-clicking on it and selecting Mount. We'll click here and write CMD. Then we press Enter. Next, I will copy the command used to bypass the requirements and paste it here. You will find this command in the description box. Press Ctrl+V to paste the command. Then we press Enter. Now we will click on this option and select Not Now. If you want to download drivers and updates, leave the selection on the first option. I will now check this box and then press Next. I will now click Accept after successfully bypassing the Windows 11 requirements. Here I will choose to keep the files, settings, and programs. If you want a clean installation without any programs or files, choose Nothing. Then I will click on Next. Before starting the upgrade process, make sure there is enough free space in Partition C. There should be at least 15 or 20 gigabytes of free space in Partition C, as this will be checked at the beginning of the upgrade process. Windows 11 Pro will now be installed while preserving your files and programs. Now I will click on Install to begin the Windows 11 upgrade process. If you are using a laptop, you must make sure it is connected to a power source. The computer will restart several times during the upgrade process. The time the upgrade process takes depends on your computer and internet speed. The upgrade process was completed successfully without any data loss. At the end of the video you will find a playlist containing all the other ways to upgrade to Windows 11 for all supported and unsupported devices. To check Windows 11 version, type WinVer into the search bar. Then we press Enter. As you can see, the upgrade has been done to the latest version of Windows 11 25H2. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video and subscribe to my channel to encourage me to create more helpful tutorials.